it's Irina Z, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the image pop element. So first what you're going to need is a ClickFunnels page, and the next thing that you're going to want to do is add an element to the page. So you'll go over and hover over the orange box and add an element. Now this will be placed in different areas in your account, and you'll go ahead over here and look for the image pop element. If you do not see it right away, you could go ahead and search image pop. Once you've selected the image pop, you could go into the settings by toggling this little bar and setting up several different options. For example, you could move it closer to the top margin or further down by toggling this button. You will be able to select the thumbnail that will be the placeholder on the page when people visit. So for example, we'll go ahead and select a thumbnail. And you'll also be able to select the full-size image. So when the image is clicked, the full-size image will pop up. So for this, we'll go ahead and select a full-size image. In case an image doesn't pop up, you could also enter in alt text. This is a very rare occasion. However, you could enter the text right over here. You could select the thumbnail width with pixels and the thumbnail height right over here to adjust to your liking. Under the themes, you'll be able to select a different theme. Some have borders, as you can see right here, so we'll just select this one, for example. And you'll also be able to select some advanced settings right over here. You'll be able to align it in the center. You'll be able to align it to the left or to the right. You can also set up the radius as a circle or round corners. You can set the shadows to a light shadow, full shadow, or a dark shadow. And you can set the opacity to visible with a light fade, with a strong fade, or a stronger fade. For this example, we'll stay with full visible. You'll also be able to select a grayscale by selecting black and white. So for this, we'll just stick with the full color. The next thing you'll be able to set up is some optional features for the animations. And you could set up a time delay to fade in with a certain amount of minutes and seconds, or a time delay with a fade in with scale, also set to amount of minutes or seconds that you want to set up. The other thing you could set up is your animations, and the type of animations you could have is for the image thumbnail to show on page load, and you could set when you wanted to appear on the page or on page scroll. And that is how you would add an image pop element to your page. Right over here, once you have done that, you can go ahead and press save. And when you preview the image, you can see that it appears, and when you click it, it pops up. And that is an image pop element. If you run into any trouble with this, please reach out to our support team and they'd be more than happy to help. Thanks so much.